Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
You open Garageband and start a new empty project. Immediately import the karaoke instrumental by dragging the audio into the timeline. Once the file is in place, create an audio track for your vocal and turn on input monitoring so you can hear yourself. Make sure the project tempo and key match the instrumental. This avoids timing drift and pitch mismatch. You're doing setup and the first real action. Import, add vocal track, and confirm tempo and key before recording. You now prepare the mix. Trim and align the instrumental region so verse and chorus hit in sync with your record punch-ins. Once aligned, create a vocal bus and insert essential effects like EQ to remove muddiness, compression to control dynamics, and a tasteful reverb on ascend for space. This keeps the dry vocal clear while adding ambience. Also lower the instrumental by about 6 to 12 dB so the voice sits on top. If you want support, add a guide vocal or lyric track. You're ready to record. Run through multiple takes and use comping to pick the best phrases, assembling a seamless performance. Once compiled, apply light pitch correction with flex pitch if any notes wander, and nudge timing to grid where needed to lock vocals to the instrumental groove. When satisfied, bounce the session to a stereo file. If you notice latency or glitches, make sure to increase the audio buffer size, enable low latency mode while recording, and check input monitoring routing.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.